The Sagrada Família is an iconic basilica in Barcelona, Spain, designed by renowned architect Antoni Gaudí. Construction began in 1882 and remains ongoing, making it one of the longest-running architectural projects in history. The basilica blends Gothic and Art Nouveau styles, featuring intricate facades, towering spires, and stunning stained glass windows that create a breathtaking play of light inside. Gaudí's design was deeply influenced by nature, with organic shapes, tree-like columns, and symbolic carvings. The three main facades is Nativity, Passion, and Glory, depict different phases of Christ's life. The Nativity facade, completed in Gaudí's lifetime, is the most ornate, while the Passion facade has a stark, angular design representing Christ's suffering. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Sagrada Família attracts millions of visitors yearly. It was consecrated as a minor basilica by Pope Benedict XVI in 2010. Despite delays, completion is expected around 2030 to 2040. The basilica remains a masterpiece of innovation, spirituality, and architectural brilliance. Thanks watching video. Please like and share. Then subscribe and new more videos travel and guide.